afternoon, everyone. It's currently, what time is it? It's 3:38 of the afternoon. It's a fine Monday morning and I decided to vlog today. Why? I have no idea. And how much is my budget? 200 bucks. I'm broke as heck. You cannot expect better than that from me. So me and my friend decided we will be shooting a vlog from the stretch of Rajbihari to Hajra, since they have some amazing street food collection and it is defocused yet again. So yeah, that's that. And right now we are around Shodananda Road. We are walking towards where all the food hub is. So I'll see you when the food is there. So we are done eating and we are done eating. So as you saw, those were some hella cheesy sandwiches. I haven't had them in months, rather year. I don't remember when was the last time I actually ate those sandwiches, and I'm glad I did. And God, I miss them. Now, if you want to know where the shop is, I will link down in the description the exact location, but I'll still tell you it's near, it's called Pandit Sandwich Shop, near the Jotindash Park, you know the park, and metro station gate number 1. So that is the location. And if you want to eat, I would suggest, my favorite was the cheese corn, still is the cheese corn. They have a lot of variety, as I have shown in the clip before. So do try, come along with me as I go and eat some more food. Like, who is done with one sandwich? I am not, and I look like an egg. Does it look like I will be done with one sandwich? What?
Potato.
Yeah, I mean, egg, potato. What does my face look like?
Once a potato, always a potato.
Once a potato, always a potato, as you hear. So let's go and let's begin our second place.
So as you can see, we have had our yummy sandwich, and now we are heading towards another food point. So let's go.
currently around, what area is this?
Beside Lake Mall.
We are by the Lake Mall going around Lake Mall Road or Janak Road. I don't know what this place is actually called. So my friend decided to say hi.
Hi.
This guy, he decided to surprise me with something apparently.
And we are here already.
Okay. Oh.
No, not that OO. The OO is here.
Oh, okay.
And ta-da!
So
We are going to be here and we are going to have food here.
okay. This is here. Just
60.
this is 60 bucks, and as you can see, this is delicious and crunchy, and ooh, look at that filling. Look at that filling, guys. It's hot, and let's take a bite now, shall we? So this is filling, and you can see the filling is full, it's juicy, and
Old Calcutta lanes. Here we are.
this is Calcutta, guys. Not Kolkata, this is Calcutta. Chicken Kobe Rajiv is mostly known in North Calcutta. First became famous, I believe, in Metro Cafe, but this, come and try this.
Yeah.
So the shop is named Radhu Babu Cabin, which is famous in Calcutta. Cabin culture is a famous culture in Calcutta. Most people love it because of its affordability and the tasty food that it provides. So if you want to come here, there is an alley right next to Lake Mall, not towards Deshopia Park, but towards the Rajbihari Mall. You can come right in, just walk for a minute or two, and you will see it. Radhu Babu Cabin. Trust me, you'll love it. I mean, look at this. Look at this. The ample amount of chicken, and it's even spicy. That Lonka is spicy, I can assure you that. So yeah, go get some. So guys, we couldn't resist the urge. Obviously, we are foodies and hookers and every word you can think about in this universe to describe us. There are 3 and 5 cutlets out here. Not cutlets, Kobe Raji. So today's vlog comes to an end. We are tired. You can see it's evening and it's hot outside. I can't deal with this anymore. So this is our vlog for the day. We ate sandwiches, we had some ice cream, we had cutlets, a very classic thing to Kolkata. So if you like this video, do let me know what else would you like to see, what else would you like for me to review. It's not like I'm very good at it, but I'll try. And until next week, I'll see you then. Until then, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.